Let's hand cut this window start to finish. The first thing we're going to do is line up our bottom edge. Your first cut is the front edge. Move the film forward 1/2 inch. Your second cut is the back edge. Roll the window down just a little bit, and then cut your top edge. Now we go to the board. Take a straight edge and trim your pattern. Now you round your corners. Now you apply your film. 3 easy steps. Spray it, scrub it, squeegee. Now you apply your film. Squeegee.
And that is how you hand cut a window.